Serbia declares war on Kosovo and Albania. The Serbians used their air force to perform bombing raids over the Kosovo troops, forcing them to retreat. The Serbians are now able to quickly sweep through the northeast of the country. Serbia captured Kosovo's capital with little to no resistance. Serbia uses the Albanian road system to move motorized troops quickly. Kosovo surrenders. Serbia wipe out a lot of Albanian forces in the north, making them much weaker. Tirana captured. Albania surrenders. Serbia takes northern Albania but keeps the southern part as a puppet.